HondaJet 7 Hotel Papa. Runway 22 left, clear for takeoff.
22 left, clear for takeoff. HondaJet 57 Hotel Papa.
Red Rock 50, number 1, runway 22 left, clear to land.
Number 1, 22 left, clear to land, Red Rock 50.
Oxford 5542, Falcon Tower.
Oxford 5542.
Oxford 5542, change to runway 22 right, contact tower 119.7.
19722 right, Oxford 5542.
Cessna 131 uniform, Falcon Tower, flight straight out, runway 22 left at Delta 9, clear for takeoff.
Flight straight out, 22 left, clear for takeoff, 131 uniform.
And enter 4 Delta Hotel, Archer straight ahead on base for the parallel.
Yeah, flight for 4 Delta Hotel.
Oxford 9507, extend downwind, I will call your base.
And that one you'll call our base, Oxford 9507.
Hey, there's a problem on the runway here, 1 uniform.
Cessna 1 uniform, roger, what's the issue?
Yep, fire.
All aircraft stand by Red Rock 50, go around.
Going around, Red Rock 50.
Cessna 1 uniform, cancel takeoff clearance.
Cancel takeoff clearance, do you want us to get off the runway?
Red Rock 50, affirmative, turn left at Delta 8, correction, Delta 7, contact ground.
Turn left, Delta 8, contact ground, 1 uniform.
Cessna 1 uniform, and say that, what's the reason?
Looks like there's a big fire down at the other end of the runway. Yeah, you got a fire at 74 right.
Cessna 1 uniform, roger, turn left Delta 7, and contact ground.
Turn left, Delta 7, contact ground, 1 uniform.
Tower, Falcon 7 on your frequency. I see that fire. Do you guys need us to call, or have you already done that?
Falcon 7, go ahead and call.
Working on it. Is it aircraft related?
Falcon Tower, Red Rock 50 confirmed. It looks like an aircraft overrun.
Red Rock 50, roger, just continue pattern altitude. Oxford 9507, are you able to exit the airspace to the east?
Affirmative, Oxford 9507.
Oxford 9507, roger, right turn eastbound approved, emergency in progress.
Right turn eastbound approved, Oxford 9507.
Lancer 424 Delta Hotel, continue runway heading, go around.
Alright, runway heading, go around. You want to make early left turn?
Lancer 4 Delta Hotel, there's other traffic in the airspace, just continue straight out, please.
Alright, straight out around the column.
Lancer 4 Delta Hotel, if you need, you could offset to the left.
To the left for 4 Delta Hotel.
Red Rock 50, are you able to exit the airspace to the south? Red Rock 50?
We would like to land the field, please.
Red Rock 50, roger, continue left traffic, make left traffic.
Left traffic, Red Rock 50.
Any aircraft outside of the airspace, we're dealing with an emergency, maintain outside of the airspace. And for all the aircraft on the ground waiting to depart or to go to parking, it's going to be a minute.
Tower, can we do a early left cross when we're about to fly into smoke for Oxford 4756?
Oxford 4756, affirmative, follow the Lancer off your left.
Got the traffic in sight, and we'll follow Oxford 4756.
South Tower, helicopter T-15 out here about 5 to your southwest. We have airvac in sight and Falcon lights come inbound, work off the south of your runways there, or south of the smoke.
Helicopter, what was it, TV-15?
T-15, yes sir.
Helicopter TV-15, roger, that's approved. Maintain at or below 2,000, Falcon altimeter 29 or 87.
297 below 2,000, T-15, thanks.